To create a Google Wallet account, start by going to the Google Wallet website or downloading the Google Wallet app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once you have the app or website open, click on the Get Started button to begin the sign-up process. Next, you will be prompted to sign in with your Google account. If you do not have a Google account, you will need to create one. To do this, click on the Create Account button and follow the prompts to enter your name, email address, and password. After signing in with your Google account, you will be asked to agree to the Google Wallet Terms of Service. Read through the terms and conditions, then click on the Agree button to continue. Now, you will be prompted to add a payment method to your Google Wallet account. You can add a credit or debit card, or a bank account. To add a credit or debit card, click on the Add Card button and enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. To add a bank account, click on the Add Bank Account button and enter your bank account details, including the account number and routing number. You may be asked to verify your bank account by receiving a small deposit from Google and entering the amount into the Google Wallet app. Once you have added a payment method, you will be asked to set up a security PIN or password to protect your Google Wallet account. Choose a strong and unique PIN or password, and make sure to keep it confidential. Finally, you will be asked to review and confirm your Google Wallet account information. Make sure all of your information is correct. Then click on the Confirm button to complete the sign-up process. Your Google Wallet account is now set up and ready to use. You can use it to make online purchases, send and receive money, and store your loyalty cards and tickets. To get the most out of your Google Wallet account, make sure to keep your payment methods and account information up to date, and use strong and unique security PINs or passwords to protect your account. By following these steps, you can easily create a Google Wallet account and start using it to make payments and store your loyalty cards and tickets. Remember to always keep your account information and security PINs or passwords confidential too. Protect your account from unauthorized access.